For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting an assisted living business is both a compassionate endeavor and a promising opportunity in the healthcare sector. With an aging population and growing demand for quality care, launching an assisted living facility can be fulfilling and profitable. Today, you can streamline the process using free AI tools to research, plan, and market your business effectively. This guide outlines step-by-step how to launch your assisted living business with minimal upfront costs by using AI to handle the heavy lifting. Step 1. Research the assisted living industry with AI. Begin with understanding what it takes to run an assisted living business, including regulations, licensing, and local market demand. Use ChatGPT to generate tailored insights on specific topics. It can summarize legal requirements in your state, analyze competitors, and list common services offered by facilities. Prompt example: ChatGPT, give me an overview of the licensing requirements and common services provided by assisted living facilities in your state. For in-depth competitive analysis, you can use Google Bard or Perplexity AI, which allow you to pull real-time data and summarize market trends based on location and service type. Prompt example for Perplexity AI: show me the top 5 assisted living facilities in your city and what services they offer. Step 2. Define your business model and services using AI. Once you understand the landscape, determine your niche and model. Will you focus on memory care, veterans, or general senior care? How many residents will your facility accommodate? Use ChatGPT to refine your vision and break it into a concrete offering. Prompt example: ChatGPT, help me define a niche business model for an assisted living facility focused on memory care with 15 to 20 residents. Use Notion AI to organize this information into a service summary document. Notion AI can structure your data clearly with headings and summaries that are easily shareable. Step 3. Create a business plan with ChatGPT. Developing a formal business plan is essential, especially if you plan to seek financing or state approval. ChatGPT can help generate a detailed plan, including executive summary, company description, market analysis, operations plan, staffing, and financial projections. Prompt example: ChatGPT, write a detailed business plan for an assisted living facility in your city, serving 20 residents with memory care needs. You can then use Grammarly to polish the language of your business plan for a professional presentation. Grammarly's free version ensures your content is clear, correct, and confident. Step 4. Estimate startup costs and funding options with AI help. Using free spreadsheet templates and ChatGPT, you can estimate your startup costs for real estate, renovation, medical equipment, kitchen supplies, licensing, and staff training. You can also ask ChatGPT to help you brainstorm funding sources such as SBA loans, grants, or investors. Prompt example: ChatGPT, give me a list of startup costs for opening a small assisted living home and funding options suitable for a first-time entrepreneur. You can then use Google Sheets with integrated Google Gemini to model different financial scenarios, such as break-even timelines and revenue projections. Step 5. Choose a facility location with free AI mapping tools. AI tools like Google Earth and Google Maps can help you evaluate potential properties remotely. Search for properties near hospitals, parks, and residential areas. Use ChatGPT to analyze location suitability based on demographic and logistical factors. Prompt example: ChatGPT, analyze this address, insert address, for an assisted living home in terms of demographics, accessibility, and community resources. You can also use ChatGPT to write inquiry emails to brokers or city planning departments to request zoning information. Step 6. Navigate licensing and compliance. Each state has specific regulations for assisted living. Use ChatGPT to outline a checklist of everything required for licensing, including safety inspections, building codes, emergency procedures, and caregiver training. Prompt example. ChatGPT, provide a checklist of state and federal compliance requirements for opening a licensed assisted living facility in your state. You can also use free PDF tools like PDF Gear or Small to fill and sign application forms for business licensing or healthcare compliance documents. Step 7. Build your staff with help from AI recruiting tools. Start hiring caregivers, nurses, admin staff, and cooks. Use ChatGPT to create job descriptions and interview questions tailored to your assisted living niche. Prompt example. ChatGPT, write a job post for a certified nursing assistant at a 20-bed assisted living facility focused on memory care. You can post jobs on Indeed or Craigslist and use free ATS tools like Zoho Recruit, free tier, to track applicants. Pair this with ChatGPT to evaluate resumes and prepare interview scoring rubrics. Step 8. Develop a marketing plan using free AI tools. Use ChatGPT to write your full marketing plan, including target audience, marketing channels, budget, and messaging strategies. Prompt example. ChatGPT, write a marketing plan for a newly opened assisted living facility targeting adult children of seniors in your city. To design logos, social media graphics, and flyers, use Canva's free version. Canva also has built-in AI tools to auto-generate marketing copy and layouts. You can schedule social media posts using Buffer's free plan. For website content and blog posts, use ChatGPT to create compassionate and informative copy that builds trust. Use the prompt. ChatGPT, write homepage content for an assisted living facility that emphasizes safety, comfort, and dignity. Step 9. Launch a website using free AI website builders. Use free AI-based website builders like Wix with AI site generation, Durable.co, or Doric to quickly create a professional site. These tools allow you to input your business type and automatically build a responsive website. Once built, ask ChatGPT to write your FAQ, About Us, and contact pages with prompts like ChatGPT, write an FAQ page for a family-run assisted living home with 24-hour care and private rooms. Conclusion. Starting an assisted living business no longer requires deep pockets or a team of consultants. With free AI tools like ChatGPT, Notion AI, Google Sheets, Canva, and website builders, you can conduct research, write plans, manage hiring, market your services, and streamline operations efficiently. By combining human compassion with AI-driven precision, you can build a facility that truly supports seniors with dignity and care. The technology is free. The heart and mission are up to you. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.